One of the ways in which you can use your data within Eve is to track how your customers find you, i.e. which inquiry source, whether it be a website, whether it be an advert you've placed, that attracted your customers into your store. We're going to start that process by moving in Eve to the data module and then moving down to inquiry sources, and then in this case inquiry sources new, and I'm simply going to enter in here Paddy store locator so that we can in future track which customers found us by going to the Paddy store locator on paddy.com. So I enter in the details in the inquiry source field and hit save, and I'm going to close that. Now if I go to a customer record, so I'm going to go to customers module and then I'm going to hit customers new. One of the things that I can do here is make sure that the inquiry source on the right of the screen under personal details is a mandatory piece of information that you and your staff capture from your customers. So I'm going to hover the mouse over inquiry source, use the right click on your mouse, select mandatory, and I'm going to say this is mandatory on all user interfaces. And you'll see now that there is a star, an asterisk to the right of the inquiry source field that shows this is a mandatory field. So if I enter in a new customer here, I'm going to enter in John Jones, first and last name. Were I to try to save that customer record with just that information, you will see that Eve pops up and informs me that I must have an inquiry source. And I can solve that by going to the drop-down menu to the right of the inquiry source field and immediately select Paddy store locator, which is how that customer first came to us. Now that I hit save, you'll find that the record saves, and I now know that John Jones is A, a new customer, and B, came to us by having found us on the Paddy store locator at paddy.com. As we'll see later in other videos, it's possible to use that inquiry source field within the customer search wizard and within the Eve agent, both for marketing and for you to track how much each of your advertising efforts is bringing into the store in terms of revenue.